brings a little entertainment on the field. That's Clammy Sosa, part of the entertainment act today. The Superstars, directly out of Louisville, Kentucky. A little entertainment going on for you there.
That's
you
great
get a
stuff.
kick out of that. See, that was all set up by the fact that the Phillie Phanatic, on his birthday, they had the big party before the game, was thrown out for arguing with the third base umpire.
So he got his revenge by calling out Clammy Sosa.
He got Clammy out there.
Greg Gibson, the home plate umpire, motioning to both players. And the Dodgers celebrating in their dugout.
That's into the right field corner. Robinson, nice catch for out number one.
Well, I am a wizard from the future. Boom. I'm a real doctor.
If you had your walk-up music created, who would compose it and or sing it, and what kind of music would it be?
You know what? That's a good question.